Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the world's easiest recipe to make prawn and pasta salad. It only requires 6 ingredients and anyone can make it. So let's get started. You're going to need a large bowl with 1 bowl of pasta, which is already cooked. I'm going to pour it in. Now you're going to dip in 100 grams of prawn. Now I have chopped up 1 small cucumber and I'm going to dip it in. Make sure to add some sweet corn to give it a sweet taste. And here it goes. I have used a little bit of carrots and red peppers, orange peppers and yellow peppers. This is looking very colourful, but let's add a bit of white. This is mayo. Yeah. This is just 1 spoon. Now I'm going to get a clean spoon and mix it all up. Make sure to mix carefully as this can get very messy. Ooh, this looks very nice. Make sure to keep mixing until all the ingredients are combined evenly. Okay, this is done. Okay, it looks done. All the ingredients are evenly combined. Take a look here. Looks very nice, by the way. Now I'm going to taste it. I have a metal fork here and let's tuck in. Mmm. Very, 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 very nice. I'm going to have this like every day if I can. This is going to be my lunch today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to click that subscribe button, like this video. Watch all my other videos because they will be very useful. And bye!